My name is Jonathan Turcic, and I'm going to be presenting my final project for ME 451. And for my project, I decided to make a robot car that can sense the distance between the car and an object in front of it and act based on how far away from the car that object is. What is being sensed in this project is the distance between the robot car and any object that is in front of the car. If an object is further than 20 centimeters away from the car, the robot will continue to move forward. If the object is less than 15 centimeters from the car, the robot will reverse away from that object. If the robot is between 15 and 20 centimeters away from the car, the robot will stop and wait for the object to move into either the first or second state. The distance is being sensed so that the robot does not run into object in its path. As long as the object is not moving at the robot too fast, the robot will be able to drive forward and react based on the objects that are placed in its path. The sensor that I chose to use for this project was the HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor that was included in our lab kit. This sensor has a detection range between 2 centimeters and 400 centimeters, which made it work well for this project since my distances are well within this range. The motor that I chose to use was the Pololu 73:1 metal gear motor. This motor provides a sufficiently large gear reduction ratio so that the robot moves at relatively low speed and can change between states very quickly. Now here's a video of the robot functioning and actively switching between all three previously mentioned states. The first motor behavior occurs when there's an object more than 20 centimeters away from the robot, and in this state it will move forward until it senses an object. The second behavior happens when there's an object between 15 and 20 centimeters away from the robot, and in this state the robot will stop moving until the object moves. In the third motor state is when there's an object within 15 centimeters of the robot, and in this state the robot will reverse until it's at least 15 centimeters from the object.